Hey guys, so here's the fitment of the radiator. It's pretty good. You can tell that the engine needs adjusting a little bit, towards that way. You can tell right there. It's like a little bit more, see, in, a little bit more out here, but it's turning. But at high speed or taking off, that shit will flex and will probably eat up the blades or mess up the radiator right here. Excuse me. But other than that, everything's good. I need help with the intercooler piping. I can't do it myself. It just keeps dropping, and to do the fitment, I need help. I got everything there ready. So I know I haven't showed this yet, but this is the fuel cell that's going in the trunk of the car. I don't know if it's going in the trunk or we might put it here with a bracket somehow, maybe from there to there, and put the fuel cell here. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we're gonna do. I still got a clean major inside. It's dirty, I know. It's a work in progress though, it's a project. So that's the fuel cell for it. Everything else is pretty much done until my brother gets here. I'll clean up more and this and that. Get the wiring ready for him. This is all the harness from the RV that he'll mess with. He's got all of that to do. Okay, so it's time for me to work on that one and see what I can do on the negative camber. I'll give you guys an update.